Drag it up, drag it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up.
Aye. Ooh.
Where are you, Gucci? Sorry. Unreal. It's off the ground.
Oh, fuck, my tip hurts.
I won't call the city on you. It's water. Rusted water.
David, why is your motor? The fuck?
We need those. Why are we gonna roll the car back?
Hey, why is your motor disconnected? What?
We're gonna change the oil.
Is it gonna start? I noticed you don't have a battery, bro. I don't think the car's.
It's in the trunk.
Oh, you relocated it?
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Wire tuck or what?
Yeah, we're working on it right now, you know.
I thought you were gonna do the. When are you gonna do the engine tuck?
Oh, when we're gonna do the engine tuck?
Wait, engine.
We're working on it.
Wait, how you do that? Wait, what the? How you do an engine tuck?
Just wait and see, you know. Unreal.
Sheesh, bro.
You know?
Hey, why your hands look like that?
I just changed the oil and that shit got everywhere. That's all I did was just change the oil. Right, Leo?
Yeah, I think you did the oil.
Yeah.
Well, fuck. Oh, look, he fucked up this thing pretty bad.
Yeah. Well, if you guys buy it, just know that thing's fucked up.
Oh.
No, this is gonna stay in the car.
No. Now.
Hey, what are you doing with that broom?
You getting the spider with it? Not done. I give up. It's whatever.
Treyway shit.
Bro, you need help? You need help, bro? I got you.
Hey, is it true?
What?
Your dick is blue?
Yes, it is. And? And the tip is red. Big whoop. You like that shit?
Sure, your tip is red?
Unreal. I'll go ahead and dome cricket. Unreal.
Alright guys, final piece to the puzzle.
Oh fuck, put it back on.
Probably the biggest bitch bolt.
If it's loose,
Oh,
you
man,
loosened it,
it's
right?
I already loosened.
Oh, alright, then never mind.
Dude, how come ours are always fucking like stuck, dude?
No, I remember on yours, the single cam, that shit was a bitch.
Bro, that shit did not want to come loose. Guys, the fucking T-brag is like the biggest bitch, and David got it within like 5 seconds. Proud of you, David. I'm proud of you. Hey, you been hitting the gym?
You've been trying to get swole, right?
Yeah, I'm trying. I've been eating nothing but peanut butter.
I see those. Wait, bro. Speaking of peanut butter, that's weird. You posted a dog the other day on Snapchat. I was eating peanut butter, bro.
What happened?
A dog on your Snapchat was eating peanut butter the other day.
Oh yeah.
Why was it licking so much? What?
What are you talking about? What?
What?
Huh?
What?
Keep going. Keep going, fucking flamingo. Keep going.
That shit fucking burns.
Go feel the burn. What's that peanut butter doing to you? Come on, let's do it.
You're right. Fucking Treyway shit. Put it back in.
on, come on. Beat it up. Let's go. Come on, you can do it. Woo! Do the bird. Come on. Keep going. Come on, don't quit on me now, boy. Keep going.
Yes, boss. Coach, put me in.
What's the whole point of you eating peanut butter? No, don't quit on me now.
Is it almost out?
No.
No.
You're a quarter way there. Come on, let's go. Keep on moving. Move, bitch. I got this. Keep eating peanut butter.
I just showered. Bro, imagine if I try to give my girl a hug. She's not gonna hug me.
Yes, she is.
Honestly, I would.
Unreal. What?
I think you look pretty fucking manly, bro. If I was your girl, like honestly, like.
There you go. Jack it up.
Shut up, alright.
What's that rascal?
Which one?
The one that you were using, yeah.
Dude, how you feeling, bro?
I'm about to cry.
But it's. How long has this been in the run for, bro?
No, wait. You're gonna have to move this closer.
Move in.
Keep going. Wait. Oh, fuck, it ripped.
Oh, God.
Lower it.
Yeah,
My dad.
unreal.
Yeah. Hello? ¿Qué? ¿Aquí en la casa de mi amigo? Me habló.
You getting the mangoes?
Come on. Wait.
That shit's long as fuck.
It is. Oh, mommies. There we go.
Oh.
What are you doing? Put that peanut butter to work.
I am. Shit. What do I look like?
Some jelly right now. Keep going.
Stupid buff. Oh,
Come on, you're looking like jelly right now. Come on.
Alright, you're making me nervous.
Yonk it right now.
Well,
Well, there she goes. Close the ditch.
that shit's legit floating right now, bro. How you feel?
You're lucky I'm not crying right now.
Bro, just no more single count.
That's it. Game over.
That's it, bro.
You never did a last romp in it.
Yeah, that's true.
I did. That's because I'm trying to baby it for the next owner, you know?
Okay.
Shit.
What do you put?
Oh, God.
It's peeing?
It's peeing. Just keep going.
Oh, fuck. Right there. Do you have a crowbar or something?
Fuck.
Right. There, keep going. Wait. Keep going. Those things. How we looking? Keep going. Keep going. You can do it. Oh, fuck. I hope we don't run out of room. Keep going.
Oh, my. Who put this butter shit?
Nah, you good.
Now he's done good.
Pull back.
We're running out of room.
We legitimately are running out of room. Alright. I'm gonna lower it.
Alright.
No, grab the. Yeah, there you go.
Whoa, there.
Alright, take it easy, bro.
Spin it the other way if you want.
Fuck broke.
Huh?
whatever side fits. There you go.
Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow.
Put the wheels back on and fucking.
Alright guys, engine is finally out, so we're actually gonna go on lunch break right now.
Yeah, are you gonna clock out?
Yeah, so we're gonna go clock out right now before the boss gets mad at us. So Buffalo Wild Wings has a fire lunch special, guys. Guys, you get, how much wings is it? Like 6, 7 wings? It's the snack size, and then, or you could get the small. And you get fries. And a drink for like 9 hots. 9-10 hots. David.
Stupid cheap.
You can't beat that. So guys,
My boy wants peanut butter.
so guys, they have that for sure. So guys, the lunch special is from 11 to 2 o'clock. So you guys, it's currently 1:05. So we gotta make it. We gotta make it. They just pulled out a freaking motor. We gotta get wings. It's mandatory. We had wings last night.
Wings every day.
Rest in peace to our stomachs and our buttholes. Hey David, how safe is your neighborhood? Is that fine?
I promise you it's fine.
Okay.
Guaranteed.
Alright.
Guaranteed stolen.
Fuck off.
Unreal.
My Uber or what?
Yes. Oh fuck, it's hot in here.
Oh fuck. How this not leather?
That is true. Leo, who the fuck did you have sitting in the passenger? Bruh.
What was he doing?
Who the fuck? There's no way that was me, bro.
Yeah.
Bro.
What were you doing?
Leo.
Bro, I haven't driven this car since yesterday.
Leo,
No one's been in here since
what
yesterday.
the fuck? You have other homies in us, bro? Is there something you need to tell us?
That's fucked up.
Wow, bro.
Fake. Oh, this one's not a structure?
This car behind us is probably like, what the fuck aren't they doing?
Yeah, I know, huh? Alright, go.
My boy sent it. Alright guys, back at David's, and guys, we have some new stickers that we're gonna drop. So as soon as this video, right as we speak, guys, the stickers are already gonna be live on the website. So Leo's actually gonna throw the new sticker on the daily. So he's wiping down the window. Are you guys ready for these? These are kind of dope. I have it on the S2000. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but look at this shit. My boy's officially gonna be pimped. Pimp my ride, dog. Right there, dog. Is that Tony?
How should I put it sideways? No. Straight?
Put it straight. Chat, shut up.
Right here.
Ooh. BKEBYS season. Broke Boys season. Broke Boys. And you know what's cool, guys? It says BBS, so if you guys like, yeah, BBS, dog. So guys, those will be available on the website right now. Another way you could rock them is like that, so I have it on the S2000. So go check them out, guys. We also have them in different colors. I'm gonna show you right now. So we got them in, I'm down. So we got them in white, black, and red, guys. Really limited quantity. If you guys fuck with them, then we'll make some more. So go check them out, guys. Pretty dope. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a peek at this V8 real quick.
Where's the latch?
Drum roll. After Leo finds the latch. Oh, found a sweet spot. Doesn't look that bad to work on. Alternator's right there, all exposed and shit.
I want to say this is a QR 25, maybe?
I don't know shit about Nissans.
I don't know.
Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. After you take that cover off, I'm pretty sure it's all exposed and shit. Quick tune on this.
Quick reflash.
It was in my pocket.
This is the aftermath, guys, of a engine pull out.
I mean, then fuck it.
Alright guys, car is back on the floor.
I really like the color of the wheels.
Yeah, the color combination is nice.
Yeah. It's so like early 2000s JDM era.
Yeah. Alright guys, real shit though. David really needs this engine gone. So it's a D15 B7. Comes with a transmission, manual, all that. Comes with a DC header, so extra couple horsepower right there. But hit up David, guys. 450 or best offer, or if you guys have a working B-Series hydraulic transmission, then
Yeah, just hit me up and let me know what you got.
yeah. So David will be willing to trade for a B-Series trans hydro though, so or sell it if you guys need a single cam swap. It's not gonna come with the harness, so but everything else, guys, mounts, everything, all that shit. So everything, guys. So hit up David. Needs this gone ASAP. So if you guys are interested, hit up David because really need this gone. The quicker this is gone, the quicker that motor goes in. So yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. So yeah guys, hopefully, I know this has been like long awaited, so hopefully the ball finally like gets rolling and like for good. Like, so David actually has a rack and pinion, so
Yeah, because that one's fucked.
yeah,
that's not even the right one.
yeah guys, that rack and pinion is not even the right one, and it's fucked. Like you can't even do.
I full lock. You can't full lock.
So what is that? What rack and pinion is that anyways?
I don't know.
Guys, if you want a rack and pinion too, fucking David will probably get this to you for dirt cheap. Honestly, we all know where it's from.
Yeah.
So, but David bought the correct one. So that's that.
That was in the bay, engine bay.
So yeah guys, as of now we do have videos, but hopefully we have like a lot of videos coming soon with the motor going in and all that. So like for example, in the next video we're probably gonna take off some of these things that like really don't need, like the heater hoses and all that other shit, and then like a little minor wire tuck, and then degrease the whole engine bay and make it look right for the motor, and then also the new rack and pinion. So this video's coming, hopefully gonna drop them soon. But that's that guys, motor is out. How you feel, dude?
Like I said, I want to cry.
So yeah guys, also David's dad's gonna beat his ass if we don't get this rolling. So
You're gonna rip me a new one.
yeah, so
You know how that goes, right?
yeah, fuck dude. One time I got his dad mad.
Oh fuck.
He fucking kicked in my door panel.
Oh, you remember that?
Oh my
the
god.
Good days. The good
Yeah,
days.
fuck.
Kicked in my door panel.
Alright guys, so if you guys enjoyed the video, like this, subscribe if you're new, especially subscribe if you guys want to keep up to date with this, because like I said guys, it's finally happening. So any last words, David?
Just hit me up if you want this.
Yeah, real shit guys. David,
I need it gone ASAP.
so shoot David offers guys, and hopefully it's gone soon. So see you guys in the next video.